Ewie bia anyone efa una makono die nieni swa fefe die nia obedie chenu obeya kwa mano nya sa eni amani huyu.
I thought you were on the So how are you doing?
Fine. Nadine.
What did you do?
Lipstick.
Oh, I'm saying to be now come.
Lipstick, I want to me be someone I was a day.
I'm saying paint.
And your dear friends, say now chrome paint it here. I know I draw her. I know I draw her say.
Well, lipstick dear.
Dear lipstick. Right at the end of the day. Right at the end of the day. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Become one.
Aha! Mukwa mwa monshimu omebwa. Omuke kake kamo. And yes sir, I dey no be tin the table at house to office. Now we be lipstick. Enti me buy watade.
Sylvia, na dey na we.
Me Sylvia dey na me ye. E dey na me ye. Say na one so to ada ho. So one. Me can we say. So one. You be sure. Yes, super! What a man, Pacanyamaka, a mommy did that, a massive yada. No, now I'm a child, a piano, and I'm a Pecasa, someone, and that's someone may shower in a man. One man, baby, I'll come out, wash out. Who come out, when I come out.
I'm gonna copy sushi with just now. Now,
see what you do.
I fuck you, how can you get there?
Mr. Lucky.
Okay, you sit down.
No, I wouldn't sit. I brought his car keys.
I'm cold.
The car is still parked at where he left it.
Oh, no one. What are you police in Nana? Have you arrested them robbers who nearly killed my father?
Ridiculous.
Especially the one with the metallic hands. He damaged the mouth of my father. He dislocated the jaw.
Is that what he told you?
Yes.
My God. Anyway, madam, I'm Mr. Sam Daniels. And for some time now, your husband has been chasing my girlfriend. And I've warned him several times to desist from that act, but he wouldn't listen. So tonight, I gave him a massive beating just to let him know that there are a lot of dangers awaiting him. So please, madam, if you love your husband very well, just advise him to desist from that act. Right?
Mama, Yanka.
This is the car keys.
Mom, you said it yourself. I think it's wrong. I told you Papa was not telling us the truth. Also, me evangelist, I saw him paying Yanka. In fact, because he's a prophet. He said it. You wouldn't believe. I was saying Papa was trying to beat about the bush. You were shouting on us.
So it wasn't armed robbers who attacked
Yes,
your
of
father?
course it wasn't. I said armed robbers. In fact, the person did well. Mom, we are going to call Papa in to come and defend himself. Come and defend himself.
Lucky.
Papa must defend himself. Papa must defend himself. Where is he? Victor, look at Papa. Agassi, wake him up. Papa, hey, someone's looking for you. Someone is here looking for you. Papa. It's important too. The person looks like a businessman. Businessman. In fact, I saw the pocket full of money. He wants to give you money. Papa.
Money for what?
Already I'm dying of hunger in this house. And if you let it happen, Papa, I'll change my name to Hallelujah.
Stupid.
Papa, what's the boxer now?
Boxer.
Sam, the boxer. Digi. Papa, boxer now.
Mama. Kasi.
What are you show?
Kasi mo. Mumpia.
Agassi! Victor!
Mumpia bonte na mga. Ikaw tuwa sila.
Papa, boxer na yung show.
Listen. Okay. David, kasi asyong film. Idiot. You children pastor. Wah. Solution. Bejedi. Ya bo o papa ma. Na funa se kokobo o sa ko. I'm sleeping. Me man, me fa ho be. Me do ka. Me do ka o ka chem se ni mfra no. O di ka inform ya na. Fucking. When your boss say na wa funa se tuya anka be yo de. Wa ba de se ni anim se e sire ma dago. Freeze. Na on fa mu bia no. Jina wai. Jina ho ma menti ho. Jina ho te ho. Ya. Ba ya me yira me ma. Me ma na ma ba china. Free wai. Mada. Meni gra. Wow, sisa mena bro. Tu jira bro. Ya le. Ohuna manu mase.
Kafrao. Ene de akonfo abade. Enya sem ketwa wo. Misi madam for baako be omo chi ne sa, omo gi ne ho fon gi ne ho ska nyina. Ewie sa bro no go so. Se ska wo no ho sa.
Hwe. Na omo busaw. Se okura 1 million. Na de mom se ade no afa 1.5. Nu a bro. No ho wa diska ya koi. Koi. We say me de kai ba na slow down no. Na minim se bia o twem se dia abirichiri ay koi. Hu se nipa be gina kwa no tia break so. Ni nipa na ile etwem. Sa se nipa na to car.
But Papa.
Hey, doing come on, go and be said you see a dad so muru hana
Chelsea for my. Enti echi ne hu se bi ba. Bi afa, ne bi afa. Oh, bi se wura front wo. Akwa ba ku se nko oboma no so, e be tutu me se. Na ne nsa de manum fam, na me boom na ante.
It's true. Uncle Kofi. Hey, my father is a strong man.
You see?
He is very strong when we talk of strength.
Better strong.
Everything he has as a man.
Yes.
To fight anyone. Whoever comes.
1-on-1.
Nobody can feed my father.
Me?
And if that person was to be 1-to-1, my father would have squeezed the person.
Blown head.
That finished that person.
I see you trust your father.
Lucky 1-on-1.
I trust him.
Only family lucky 1-on-1.
3 is too much.
If only 3 more.
Yes.
Yes.
3 is too much.
You say any from Yensa or one.
When you
Messi nyame kura na yɛda na se ɔdate ase na wonye ne tire didi guy yɛ fine
Where they say koda so was already. What nyame ase.
na lucky car no so
can say pass na microphone wo ho no mu ye no na mo fle police for ne ba no na me so mo famre me timbe duru fie anche bia na police for so de kan e she garage
car no so yɛ de be see ayi kwada so estate
Kwada so was. Na hona asem ne see.
why did the sound
police sound
for your new police what say me here na baby sound say can you say madam be avo say or the key no or the car na brain
jai me see police
for na kwaji free some what the brain one
Kofi me want to me some minimum no police in this John 3:16.
John
3:16. When go?
never joy.
It is a thing a minimum.
John 3:16. Jamaica and 16.
Baby, I ain't can one.
And one I'm natural, see you. Kind. When go?
John 3:16. For God so loved the world.
For God so loved. Dear no way. Do you need your babro? See? Tell me about it. Saba, you could do TV. Do TV. Never fuck. Idea. This is a bicycle, Sutana. What's it about talking kind? A foot you into the children couples and you remember. Sasha.
I see. John 3:16. For God so loved the world.
For God so loved the world. Actually, we ask you, we ask
that He gave His only begotten Son.
Say what didn't tobacco? Well, no, but I could pet them. We are seeing in mind.
Say a baby empire, no one through
that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Believeth in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life.
Polish in money. Polish nice.
Thou the thing I'm in the Bible.
Believe that to
is it in
the crop.
Fabra. For God so loved the world. Said you now do we are. What I say? No, you don't back up, don't know. Jesus Christ. man man be wu e de gye adasa kwa obi bia la obagye Yesu adie no anu Nyankopɔn so be yede e bagye no de nakɔ nkwachi
Uncle say
you uncle say eti motive we asisi e se we wade se we onyame ba ye mama mi no papa de ade to a mfa onsa mfa
Adam kwamu na me.
Ngwamu na ona anoi. Wana anoi.
Ewie bia anyone efa huna makono die nie ni swa fefe die nia obedie chenu obeya kwa mano nya sa eni amani hunu.
Thank you, Mr. Yechi.
You're welcome. And thank you too for your time and your cooperation. But I must be going. My wife will be waiting for me.
Mr. Yechi. So are you the only married man in this world? At least come and have a soft drink before you go.
I'm not the only married man, but you know, I love my wife so much. I miss her.
Are you trying to refuse my offer? Please.
Okay, all right.
Thank
if
you.
You insist. Very nice place.
Thank you. This your house.
Well, a cute place that you have here.
Okay. Thank you so much. Excuse me for a minute. Okay. Just be free. Oh, sir.
Oh.
Very sorry. Please help me to tighten my belt.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, please. Look, Ivan. What are you trying to do?
Sir.
Look, I'm sorry, but I really have to go now.
Why?
Look, you know we can't do this. We can't do this. Please. No, please don't do that.
Oh, please.
Don't do that. Please. Look, I'm trying to do. What are you doing?
Go. I've missed this man. And I love him so much.
There's no end in supply to the desires of the flesh and the lust of the eye. Anyone who desire becomes a slave, singing to rise. No.
Yeah, Nana, I'll get back to you. Let me solve this problem once and for all. Now, Eva, tell me, what was that man doing here at this time of the night in your house?
What kind of silly question is that? Don't you know that he's my boss?
Your boss, and so what?
So he has every right to come here anytime he feels like. Moreover, it was I who invited him for a drink.
Let's take it this. Are you talking to me now?
How else do you expect me to talk to you? Should I look under your feet, Stephen? Look, this is my house and I've every right to invite any Tom, Dick or Harry to this house.
Now let me get this straight, okay? You invited him for a drink and you dressed in this manner? Which manner? You don't know you've dressed in this manner? You're talking about which manner?
Which manner, Stephen? Look, as you can see, I'm very, very tired. And I need some sleep. Please, leave my house.
What?
Anyone, if I huna makono die, nieni swafe die, nia obedie chenu, obeya kwa mano, nya sa, eni amani hunu.
I thought you were. So how are you doing?
Fine. Nadine.
What are you doing?
Lipstick.
Oh, what's that paint you been come now?
Lipstick, I have a me before I was a day.
I don't say a paint.
And your dear parents could say that chrome painted here. I know I draw her. I know I draw her. Say,
well, lipstick, dear.
Dear lipstick. Right, I didn't say. Right, I didn't say. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Come on.
Aha! Mukwa mama, mushimu omebwa. Umuke kake kamo. And yes, sir, I had no bit in the table at Charles to office. Now will be lipstick. And to be very what I did.
Sylvia, no, no way.
Me, Sylvia, dear Namie. And then Namie, send the one who's out to Adao. So on. Me can't, what's to say? Me can't, what's to say? Me can't, what's to say? So on. You're that sure. You're that super.
Sylvia, please. As so to mercy. When you're dear, it's how many Malcolm Fia Sembia. This is just a look when I make a show. It's the gospel truth. Me nim hawa. Some lipstick no become a tarry. It could be Sabia, secretary in be that may instruct no. I may be a crime and test.
Open so catch me say. Cratch in India. Our bottie. Just show me. I could regimen. William Quackra, lipstick, or barno, a cow, what I him. Stand up a so catch me.
Into Sylvia. If you turn up a couple of why they bet me account for say, I did come and tell him way free her, if you are matter, I can't do that. Meant me explaining, I mean, name quiet fast, lipstick. I dare some pabium na men can show. Look, Sylvia, you know, I love you. Only Obaba Kupanya me, you are mommy. Missy me door. Mimpe obe bia nka I didn't want to mean NG wake keke and find show trim. Not the beer what you say, me name I am not, your husband is not like that. And but what you say, me gumasu, my girlfriend. One was my baby sada. So why can't you just forget about this? Please, I beg your pardon. Forgive me and let this thing go, okay? All right. Watch me.
This is the last time I will forgive you. Look at his face. Snake under grass.
I dey open me. What's I Jaisa. Some men fan ko there. Wow. Mama fa mama ni we.
Oh me.
Oh mama so we. My friend, what is wrong with you?
Is it woman or what? Or whatever you call your name. Madam, excuse me. Thank God your wife is here. I have come here to warn you.
To warn me?
To stay away from my girlfriend Eva.
Oh God. Did Eva tell you that we are going out together? If you don't know, Eva just happened to be my secretary. And that is all.
Your secretary indeed. Secretary indeed.
There is nothing between us.
I don't mind. I'm here to tell you that a word to a wife is enough. I'll see you when the time is right.
Hey, look here. Look, Sylvia. How am I going to explain this?
Who is this man?
I don't know him.
You don't know him. Because of your humanizer. You don't know him.
Look, Sylvia. Sylvia.
Leave me.
Wuntumi modafubai enya wahudi ane wotumi nemo mohun kronkro so nyami yensi dainua adansifonu yeko so one share dainua.
You're welcome, Miss Jackie. Please have a seat.
For welcome, Era. For welcome. What's in the catcher? You're welcome to me back. Era. Maybe some catcher. Some nana. We need to cruise office. I'm watching. She.
Madam, I don't understand you.
Shall I prove for something, madam? I don't understand you. Why? Who lives and watching you? What you said, trousers in your day, and you could be crying so what you mamma. Women, I'm a better was some people so why? Ah? Era, but me can't show. Coffee the china or number nine, and no moon, the food in a nimna, why a pom fina or ban. And for no 50 hours, your coffee the chill. Make can't show. Women, baby, I'm a new crew, and see, other things are glowing. Now when you blame up, coffee the chihuahua and net coffee the chi, I say no number. Who said the funny Casequa? What are all make catch on? So why say
Me? You're warning me.
so won't you bat so? No, I don't want to be Kunwa. When we cry, no me never fast.
I'm not a prostitute. I am not a prostitute. And if you don't have anything important to say, just leave my office. Leave! Leave my office.
No.
Yes. Leave my office.
And not this, I'll feel
my office. Sorry.
I feel no one wants to want. Someone who could figure she a chimpana. Now, men say, I show. I want to hold on. What is it? Sylvia, what is this? No. Please, what is this?
Anyone, if I una makono die, nieni suave fedie, nia obedie cheno, obeya kwa mano. nya sa eni amani hunu ewiye biya eniwa efa huna makono die ni swa fefe die nia obedie chenu obeya kwa mano nya sa eni amani hunu mawe nina ho